Righto, I think we're right to go. So what I do is I get a permanent marker and I paint the top of one of the chains. So that tells me when I go all the way around and I get back to the black marker, that's the one I started with. So, all right, let's have a go at sharpening this chain and see. I'll turn him on. I want you to listen how I bring it down. So I brought the machine down, it's not even cutting. I just touch it and out, and that's it. And what I do is I look for the little edge and I feel it with my finger, and I know that's super sharp because of how the burr on the end is actually really nice and sharp. And that's all I do. But I just make sure I get right down the bottom, touch it, and straight in, and that's it. If you're grinding and out, chances are you're going to burn it. So I'll have a little go in, lock it off, come down. I just have a look, make sure I'm nice and shiny from the bottom right to the top of the chain of the cutter. Alright, and what I'd like to try and do also is to keep it all even. So don't grind one more than the other. You want to try and keep them even so they all stay the same. Look at it, nice. Also too, always wear safety glasses. Give that another touch. That's it. Pretty good. Knock it off. Start at the bottom. Little roll up. Not too bad. Give it another hit. It's pretty good. Sometimes you'll feel when you're actually doing it that you actually probably didn't do it quite enough, so you might just give it another pass. Like that. And that doesn't feel too bad. And what I'm looking for is nice and shiny, and it's basically touched and grinded all that area there. If you're only grinding one part of it, you're not getting a nice smooth finish on it. So you've got to start from the bottom and then work your way around. I think it's important I just inspect every one to make sure I have ground it properly. Quite got the bottom of that properly. Like I said, you put it on too long and it gets hot, you'll ruin your chain and they'll never stay sharp. So be careful too, you can easily cut yourself as well. Right, I'm back to the start. So that was pretty easy and quick. That's one side, and I'll set up and do the other side. I'll turn the machine on.